how to turn off autoplay feeds on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the YouTube application. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, now head over to the bottom right corner. You will get your profile icon that says You. Tap on that. Again, head over to the upper right corner and tap on settings icon. That will take you to your settings page. Now, in order to turn off autoplay feeds on YouTube, there are two settings that you have to set up. First of all, tap on General. Now, tap on Playback in Feeds option that you will find under App Language. A drop-down menu will pop up with three options as Always On, Wi-Fi Only or Off. If Always On is selected, then if you are connected to Wi-Fi or your cellular data, the video will play on your feeds. If you tap on Wi-Fi Only, then if you are connected to Wi-Fi only, then your video will autoplay on feeds. Or if you want to turn off that, then tap on Off. Once you have turned that off, then the autoplay will be turned off on your YouTube feeds. After you do that, again head one step back. Now tap on Data Saving. Here, make sure that the toggle that says Muted Playback in Feeds over Wi-Fi Only is turned off. If you have turned that on, and if you are connected to Wi-Fi, your video will still play on your YouTube feeds. So make sure that you have turned off that options as well. Now if you go back and see, the videos are not playing on your YouTube feeds. And that's how you turn off autoplay feeds on YouTube. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.